Welcome back to Simple Spoken English. I am Jack, and today I want to give you something that can truly change your English forever. Not just motivation, not just random tips, but a real, powerful, life-changing daily routine that can actually make you fluent. Most English learners struggle not because they are weak, not because they are not intelligent. They struggle because they don't have a system. They don't have a routine. They wake up, they think, yes, one day I will learn English. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow. They watch one video, get busy with life, and English disappears again. And this cycle keeps repeating for months and even years. But today, I want to break this cycle for you. I want to give you something you can follow every single day. Friends, before we go further, please like the video and subscribe when you feel that you truly learned something new from this video. Your one like really gives me motivation to create more and more powerful lessons for you. Okay, now imagine if every single day your mind automatically started working in English. Imagine if English slowly became part of your lifestyle instead of a stressful subject. That is exactly what we are building in today's routine. But before I tell you the routine, I want to tell you something very important. Fluency does not come from one big effort, one big day of study. Fluency comes from small effort every single day. If you can give me just 20 minutes daily, I promise you your future self will thank you. So let's begin your day. You wake up in the morning. Most people wake up and immediately check their phone, scroll social media, and waste 30 minutes without even realizing it. But you will be different now. When you wake up, before touching your phone, just whisper one sentence in English. Yes, just one simple sentence. Say, "Today I am becoming better in English." Or say, "Today I will speak more English than yesterday." This small habit programs your brain. It sends a message to your mind that English is now a part of your life. You are not running away anymore. You are moving forward confidently. Now, while getting ready or brushing your teeth, I want you to think in English. Describe what you are doing in simple sentences. Say in your mind or softly, "I am brushing my teeth. I am washing my face. I am wearing my shirt. I am getting ready for my day." You may feel a little funny at first. You may even smile at yourself. But trust me, this is powerful. Because English fluency is not about learning big grammar rules. It is not about remembering complicated structures. It is about training your brain to think in English. Every small sentence you say rewires your brain. It builds a new habit inside you. Then comes one of the most important parts of the routine, a 10-minute English listening session. You don't need a classroom. You don't need a teacher.
You don't even need to understand every word. Just listen. Maybe a story. Maybe a short English talk. Maybe a podcast. Or maybe even one of our videos here on Simple Spoken English. When you listen daily, something magical happens. Your ears get trained. Your tongue slowly copies the sound. Your brain starts understanding the flow of the language. And that is how fluency grows. Slowly, naturally, without fear, without pressure. But I know what you're thinking. Jack, what if I don't understand everything I listen to? Good. That means you are learning. No child understands every word when they first hear language, but they still learn, and so will you.
Fluency is built by exposure, not fear. After this listening routine, your day starts. You go to work, school, college, business, whatever your life is. But here is something powerful. Whenever possible, try to include English in your day. Read one signboard. Think one sentence in English. Speak one small line to yourself, quietly. These small acts build English muscle. Just like going to the gym builds your body, daily small English actions build your fluency. Before I end this part, I want to say something from my heart to you. You are not weak. You are not late. You are not behind anyone. You just never had the right routine. But now you do. And we are going to build it, step by step, together. This was just the beginning. In part 2, we go deeper. I will show you how afternoon practice, evening speaking, and a powerful night routine can completely transform your English confidence. And I will reveal a technique that most English learners don't even know exists, but fluent speakers secretly use every single day.
So don't go anywhere. Stay with me. Your fluency journey has just started. So now, if you are still listening, then I want to say something truly important to you. You are serious about your English. You care. You stayed. And believe me, only serious people improve. In part 1, we built your morning routine. Now we are moving into the afternoon and evening phase of your day. And trust me, this is where real growth begins. As your day goes on, many of you get busy. Work pressure, studies, housework, responsibilities, life. I understand. Life is real. English learning cannot feel like a burden. It has to blend naturally into your lifestyle. That is why the afternoon routine is simple but extremely powerful. At some point in your day, take just 2 minutes. Yes, only 2 minutes. Say 3 sentences about your day in English. For example, I am busy today. I have a lot of work, but I'm still learning English. Or, today is going well. I spoke 1 English sentence. I am improving. These tiny conversations with yourself build confidence layer by layer. You don't need a partner. You don't need
an English environment. You only need your voice. Stand in front of a mirror for just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Look into your own eyes and speak. Speak anything. Your plans, your thoughts, your dreams, your feelings. For example, my name is, I am working hard. I want to speak English fluently, and I believe I can. When you speak to yourself, you break fear. You teach your brain that your voice is allowed. Your English is allowed. Your mistakes are allowed. Mistakes are not the enemy. Silence is. If you are speaking, even with mistakes, you are winning. If you are silent, even with perfect grammar trapped in your head, you are losing. Remember this always. Now let's talk about vocabulary. Many people try to learn 20 or 30 words in 1 day and then forget them in just 2 days. This is not learning. This is stress. Instead, learn only 1 word daily. Yes, just 1. But use that 1 word 3 times in 3 different sentences. When you do that, that word sticks. That word becomes your word. It becomes part of your speaking identity. And slowly, your vocabulary grows like a beautiful tree. Strong roots, strong branches, strong English. Now it's evening, and maybe you feel tired, but this next step is game-changing. Create an English environment around you. Watch a small English clip. Listen to a conversation, or even imagine a situation in English. Imagine you are traveling. Imagine you meet someone new. Imagine you are in a restaurant ordering food confidently, fluently, proudly. This imagination builds reality, because the brain cannot differentiate between deeply imagined practice and real practice. That is why this works like magic. I want to tell you something personal. Many fluent English speakers you see today once struggled just like you. They were shy. They were scared. They felt small. They felt unsure. But they did not stop. They didn't say, I can't. They said, not yet, but I will. And slowly, their voice became stronger. Their confidence grew. And one day, they didn't just speak English. They lived English. And you, yes, you, listening right now, can do this too. Because if you have reached part 2, I know one thing for sure. You don't just want English. You are ready to earn it. In part 3, I will give you the final and the most emotional part of this daily routine. We will talk about your night routine, how to control motivation, how to stay consistent, and how to make English not just a language, but a lifestyle. And trust me, the last routine I will share with you, that one is something truly powerful. Don't miss it. Stay with me. Your journey continues. Welcome to part 3, my dear friend. This is Jack, and you are listening to Simple Spoken English. If you are still here, then I already respect you, because most people quit. Most people give up, but you didn't, and that already makes you stronger than thousands of other learners.
Now we enter the final and the most powerful stage of your English routine, your night routine. The time when the world becomes quiet, but your mind is still alive, still thinking, still dreaming. Before you sleep, I want you to do something incredibly powerful. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and speak one final English sentence of the day. It can be anything, something like, "Today I did my best," or "I am getting better in English every single day." This programs your subconscious mind. When you sleep, your brain continues working on the language. Science proves this, but even more important, it makes you feel proud of yourself, and that feeling builds confidence like nothing else. Now let's talk about the biggest truth most learners ignore. Consistency is more important than perfection. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to show up.
Maybe some days you will only manage 1 minute. Maybe some days you will miss something. That's okay, because this is not about guilt. This is about growth. Growth is not loud. Growth is quiet, slow, gentle, but incredibly powerful. There will be days when you feel tired, when life feels heavy, when you feel like giving up. But on those days, I want you to remember something. You are not doing this just for English. You are doing this for your confidence, for your future, for the doors this language will open, for the opportunities waiting for you. This channel is with you. Our community is with you. Whenever you feel low, come back. There is no shame in starting again. The only shame is in quitting. So now you have a complete daily routine. Morning, thinking and listening. Afternoon, speaking and simple practice. Evening, imagination and vocabulary. Night, confidence and belief. This is not just a routine.
This is a lifestyle. And if you follow this for 30 days, your English will change. Your confidence will change. And yes, your life will change. Before we end, I want to say something from my heart. I believe in you, truly, deeply. You are capable, you are strong, and you deserve to speak English confidently. Not one day, not someday, but starting today. If you are still listening, then I know you are serious. So do one thing. Stay connected with Simple Spoken English, because every day I will guide you, stand beside you, and help you grow. Let's not just learn English, let's live English together. This is Jack, proud of you, truly proud of you. See you in the next lesson. Stay strong, stay consistent, and remember,
Your English journey has just